Hello, my name is Cindy Bennett and welcome to my channel. These are my seeds, so it's almost time to do some planting, but I'm going to plant these inside first. I'm hoping to get some nice flowers and some green plants. Thank you, Evelyn Joy, for your diligence in just giving this a try. I have some cucumber plants, squash plants, zucchini plants, and many other things growing, and we're going to just get a head start. And around here in New Hampshire, they say that you need to plant Memorial Day. We might get some warmer days before Memorial Day, but there's always that chance of that frost that we could get. So here is the beginning of my garden. I have my work cut out for me, but I'm hoping to get something. And I'm so thankful for the other VIP Kid teachers, and we're going to support each other, and we'll see a great harvest one way or the other. Thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe.